A dreamy, emotional pop ballad with a tropical pop influence, 90-100 BPM, inspired by a vibrant Thai beachside night. The song captures the introspective freedom of a solo traveler under a starry sky, featuring lush synth pads, gentle acoustic guitar strums, and a subtle tropical beat with soft percussions. The melody is heartfelt and melodic, with a soaring yet tender vocal line that evokes longing and wanderlust, following, seeing lyrics sung in Korean.